Hey everybody, quick video today. Merry Christmas, everybody out there. I thought I was on the naughty list, but my wife must have taken pity on me and got me the Allis Chalmers marked or branded, however you want to say it, punch and chisel set, as well as screwdrivers. So we'll open these up, see what they're like. Well, so all of these screwdrivers are individually wrapped. We'll get it down here a little bit so you can see better. Got the Allis Chalmers logo on there. Pretty sweet. Now the screwdrivers don't say made in America. The chisel set and punch set does. So what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straights. And 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. So nice little set there. Works good. Last year I got my coffee mug. Still using that baby. And then this chisel set, it does come with a ouch. There's staples on there. Yipes. I'll dig those out right away. But I'm thinking, if I open this right, I should be able to, yeah, I can use this as the storage container, however, whatever you want to call it, for holding in my tool drawer, so they aren't just running around all over. But yeah, these are pretty cool. So also have the Allis Chalmers, and does say USA on it, so made in America. But nice little chisel set and punch. Those are always handy. I'm gonna get this. This one bit me already. Little staple got me. But pretty sweet. So all you Allis Chalmers lovers out there, I believe this came from, yeah, J&D Productions is where she got those. So again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff, and hit the subscribe button. Take care.